YouTube channel. So here we can see Dlink 605L router, and this was the old router that was damaged in unwanted monsoon. So this is the product that we have ordered in Amazon. So let's go for opening it. Cost of around 1870 rupees. This is the same product as we have seen this one. This is also Dlink 605L model, and you can see that this is 605 and 615 is at around 1000 rupees only. This is 1870 rupees. So the already damaged product we want to replace. This is the box. Then 300, I think this is 300 meters wide range or 300 Mbps. I don't know. Yeah, that is 300 Mbps. Tada! This is the product. These are all belongings like warranty card, manual, everything what you want. This product. You need to keep these all safe, because when you want to return the product, you need to have this invoice also. The invoice is this one. Don't copy this. We have so many valuable details that belong to this product. You can get your own details. So, wow. This is what really amazing. A LAN cable. When you go to the market, only this piece will cost you of around 250 to 300, depend on the company. This is nice. Charger for this product. And the thing is, what happened to the old router was the LAN port was damaged. So this is the input for internet, and this is the output that we have to connect to, devices like laptops and everything. So we have to give internet connection to this one, and we will take distribution from these 4 ports. This is the input wire that we want to put here. So that's it. This model is, once again, take the model Dlink 605L. If it is 615L, it costs around only 999 rupees. As it is 605L, this costs of 1870 rupees including shipping charges. So thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more products videos like this, please give a comment in the below